Welcome to the Acorn Stairlifts marketing department. Let me take you through what's involved in making Acorn the world's leading stairlift manufacturer. With Acorn being a worldwide business, we have to tailor our marketing to different cultures and territories. Not only that, but be aware of different architectures around the world. We also have to be conscious of how our products help people and what our target markets are. Automatically, you'd assume that would be the older generation, but even though they make up the majority of our customers, we also have to consider other people who may be the decision maker in buying a stairlift. Our main focus is on helping people stay in the house they've made their home over the years. Often a home where family have grown up and left, but still come back for visits and celebrations. Why would you want to leave when a stairlift can help you stay? Focusing on the people and their needs is how we approach marketing a stairlift. All too often we find that people don't want to admit that they need one. But after experiencing the benefits of a stairlift, those same people admit that they wish they'd bought one sooner.
People shouldn't sort of be hesitant and say it's so expensive. But it isn't, because you get the benefit, definitely the benefit from it.
I would say definitely have one fitted, or have them at least come out and quote you for fitting one, because they are a godsend.
I'll admit that I get great pleasure in marketing Acorn Stairlifts, as I know the product is actually improving people's quality of life and allowing them to stay in the home they love. If you'd like to be part of this innovative team in helping improve people's quality of life, then contact Acorn now or visit careers.acornstairlifts.com.